All right, we're making a video on how to get your gradebook set up. So here we got in PowerTeacher Pro. And you go under settings and you're going to click traditional grade calculations. This will open up all your classes. So here is my math class, which is a year-long one. And I'm going to click on this gear up at the top here. So this is when I have the same calculations going forward. So you're going to click the gear and hit copy. Now I need to select the class from last year. So open up my term here, 2021. And then I'm going to pick the class that I want to pick. So I'm going to do my math class there. That's the class I'm doing. So from that math class to this year's math class. And I pick my corresponding math classes, multiple if you have them here. Validate at the bottom. It's going to check and make sure everything's okay. And then I'm going to push copy down at the bottom. Okay, so that you'll see all the check marks there, how that class is now set up. Both my math classes. If I go in and look, there it is. So my Y1 should be set with the final exam, whatever it is, and then split the other one. Go into my semester. Should be category weighting, just like off of your course outline, ignoring, of course, the final exam. Okay, so that's those two there. So again, they're all good looking at both of those. All right, now I'm going to do my science class, which is also another year class. And I also want to copy these across. So again, copying from last year, whole year, into my one science class this year. And there it is. Then validate and see the check marks, then copy. Okay, now we have it. Green check marks again. I go back in. Okay, now we're going to go to my shop class. So this is a semesterized class. So we're going to go and we're going to edit this one. Okay, so if you have to set this up, right now it's just total points. We don't want that. Okay, we want it to be category weighting. So category weighting, then you pick those that are associated with that class. So in this one I have projects. To add another one, I hit the plus sign up on the right here. Okay, I go back to category weighting again. And then I add my next one. I have mine color coded here. You can do that. We'll show you in a minute. Okay, and then I add another one for the final category here, category weighting again. And my third and final, which is shop procedures. For 15. So you have it set up just on my, set up just like on my course outline. Okay, we're all good there. So here with my industrial arts class, I can copy within the one that I just did within this year. So if I put one in and I have multiple of this class, I do it the same way. So I pick the semester of this year and I select that. And then copy it straight across to that class within the semester. Now we can also take that semester and copy that to the second semester. So here we'll go semester 2 of this year. And which classes? I can do both of those classes. So now I've done it throughout this whole year. Okay, so we have the classes. Now it's time to do a new class, which has never been set up again. So my digital design class here, brand new. For a class that's new to you that you haven't set up before, you're first going to want to go to make the category. So under grading, on the left, you select categories. Here's where it lists all the categories you currently have. So you're going to have to add a new category here. So open the plus sign, click on that, where we do assignments, and you select category. Now you're going to name it whatever you want. For my digital design class, which is brand new, I have the projects, and I'm going to pick my own color so it sticks together. I'm going to pick tan, there we go. Okay, and I'm going to add it to what classes is it good for? Digital design. So these are the only classes it will show up for when I go to do things there. Okay, I also want to, if I have a specific thing, if I'm always going to do points or always percentages, you can set that too. So that's the default. And you do that by assignment. Defaults at the top there. Then you hit save. And then you see it's in your list at the bottom there. Okay, and then I'm going to do it again for each of the categories that I have. So I have another one here. These, of course, are the ones that match my course outline. Keep them all the same thing. Select the same classes again that they're tied to. And then assignment, back to the scoring type, which is going to be points. Save. Get them back to settings and traditional grade setup. And then go back into the class. And now I could do my category weightings and pull down those categories that I just made. Okay, again, matching my course outline for the weighting. In mine, in this course, it's just going to be 2 categories. Now I'm going to match those with a 75 and 25 breakdown. Save that, and then I'm done that course. Okay, now I want to copy those to my next semester. So it's all set up. So it's a semester 2, digital design, and now I'm all set up. I made the one copy to the second semester. Okay, so we're good to go. All of my classes now, green check marks. Checking them all green check marks. Good to go and good to go. There you have it. Any questions, come see me.